got asked to be a part of this wonderful local club, and I thought, what a great little thing we can get involved with. Like, I love the whole thing of the culture around like local and community and stuff. So obviously it's a no-brainer that you can come and do something here. You know, support the football club, be a part of the football club as well. You know, it's just, yeah, I love it. Like, I've come from a small town myself, so it just makes sense for me. Yeah, first match, I think there's quite a lot of people came for the curry, I think. So yeah, it was good, a good turnout. We had a good queue. Everyone seemed to really enjoy it, so yeah, we had a great time. I mean, this is very different to what we do at the restaurant. This is the kind of food you want to eat, like out when you're at a football game, and it's just curry and rice. You know, it's just tasty food, and yeah, just hopefully the locals liked it.
Brilliant, absolutely amazing. Everything kind of what was promised, really. It was really, really good.
It was a katsu beef, and I've never had katsu beef before, and it was really, really lovely.
It was delicious. I really recommend it to some people.
I hope I eat in one of his restaurants because it was bon appetit.